I am going to do the Explore It. Why do scientists use thermometers, to make the point about why scientists use different or certain kinds of tools to make certain kinds of measurements. So in front of me, I have 3 cups. Cup A has room temperature water in it. Cup B has warm water in it. And cup C has slightly warm water in it. Step number 1 is to record the air temperature of the room. Okay, so if I turn on my thermometer right now, it shows that it is approximately 69.8 degrees Fahrenheit, or approximately 70 degrees Fahrenheit. We're almost at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Then I'm going to feel the water in each one of the cups, and I'm going to record it as either cool, warm, or neither. So room temperature water, if I put my finger in, feels a little bit cool, okay? And then if I put my finger in the warm water, definitely feels significantly warmer. And if I put my finger into the slightly warm water, I would agree that it's kind of neither. It's not really cool or warm. So cup A, I would say, is cool. Cup B, I would say, is warm. Cup C, I would say, is neither. Okay. Next step, I am going to actually record the measurements for each one. So I'm going to turn my thermometer back on. I'll put my thermometer into the room temperature water. Now remember, the room temperature was 70 degrees, pretty much 70 degrees. And this is showing that the water is just about 69 degrees. Okay, 68.8. Now it's starting to cool down because the tip of the thermometer got cold when it was exposed to the air, but when I was recording it, it definitely had 69 degrees. So just about the same temperature of the air, which makes sense. Okay, now let's move on to the warm water. Think about, would you expect the warm water to have a greater temperature or a lesser temperature? And when I put my thermometer in, I'm going to let it stabilize. It's still going up. We're at 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. It's still rising. 98, 98. It's slowing down. Okay, we're going to put it at 99 degrees, 99 degrees, okay? So we had 69 degrees for this one, 99 degrees for this one. Okay, now let's move on to the slightly warm water. It's kind of in between the two as far as temperature. So let's see if that actually comes to be. We should find something hopefully that's between 69 and 99. So if I put my thermometer in, trying to tip it towards you so that you could watch it. We're at 81 degrees, 81.7, 81.6. So 81, and if I round it up, 82 would probably be, oh, now it's decreasing, 81.4. All right, so we would round down to 81 for that one. So we had 69 for room temperature, 99 for warm water, and we had 81 for slightly warm water. So now let's think about, why might scientists use a thermometer instead of just touching the water? I want you to stop and think about that for a moment. So scientists would use a thermometer to be able to collect temperature data so that the thermometer can give a clear, easy to record and compare data point that is the same for all observers. For example, maybe if someone in our class, a student in our class, did the same experiment, the first part of the experiment, and they touched each type of water, maybe their results would be different because that's kind of just the way that you feel about it. But a thermometer is going to give you an exact number that you can easily compare and that all observers will obtain the same result.